Starting content creation in 2026 will change your life. The way you did to me, and if you're waiting to be perfect, you need to start content creation now. This is it, because a year from now, you will either wish you started today or be glad that you did. I'm on a day 12 on documenting my journey of building income through content creation. I'm not pretending that I figure it all out. No shortcuts to grow online. What it takes to build income through content creation by content creation, of course. And today I want to talk about why should you start content creation right now? Why is it matters? First of all, why is it matters? We are living in a time where attention is your currency. Can actually capture attention. You can build anything through content creation. You need to just start. And we live in a time where content creation isn't just about posting videos. It's about building leverage. It's about building your voice. It's about building social presence and building something that works for you, even when you are not working. It's literally a passive income. And potentially, if you start creating content, hopefully a year from now, or lots of tons of videos that you've created, one day you will quit your 9 to 5 and you will literally start creating content and live by passive income. Most people trade time for money, but creators, they trade ideas for scale. So you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Content creation has completely changed my life. The craziest part is you don't need a permission anymore. No boss, you don't need gatekeepers, you don't need audience to start, okay? Just a phone and a decision. That's it. And real talk about it is I didn't start because I felt ready, okay? I started because I was tired of staying in the same place year by year, months by months, week by week, day by day. And yeah, I'm thinking about leaving my 9 to 5, not because it's easy. It's because I want more control over my life. Content creation gives you that chance to not a guaranteed success, but at the real shot. People might ask why most people don't start. Why you don't start? Why I have thinking about content creation for quite a long time. Let's be honest here. People don't start. You don't start content creation because you are scared. Scared for people's opinions, scared you're not enough, and even scared nobody will watch your videos. What if you fail? But here's the truth, nobody tells you about. Watching at the beginning is quite important. Sometimes it's not, because people at the start, people won't watch your videos anyway. That means you have to start. And that's your advantage, to be bad in private, okay? And I believe that if you can just go with this mindset, you will start content creation, and of course, hopefully, you will be more confident and you will have more more ideas, and you will learn a lot, believe me. And if you're about starting, if you're about thinking about starting, and if you're overthinking to do this, pick one topic that you care about, literally even vlog, okay? Share what you're learning and hit a record, post it, and literally that's it. Because you don't need a niche to figure it out. You don't even need to be perfect. You don't need editing. You don't need even confidence, because lots of people nowadays, they just put a phone and record it. That's it. You build confidence by doing things, not by pretending or not by reading books. You can't read book and you say that you're confident. No, confidence is all about taking action. And if you're serious about this, focus on the 3 things, okay? Consistency over perfection. You don't need to be perfect. Just put content out there. Volume over overthinking, okay? Put content out there. Don't overthink about it. Learning over comparing. Instead of comparing yourself, learn from it, okay? Post even when it feels awkward. Post even when you think it's not good enough. Post especially when you don't feel like it. That's it. I don't feel like recording the videos, but because that's where the growth actually happens. But yeah, why not? Just create content and start content creation that will change your life over time. It's not overnight. But if you want this to work, build these habits first. Show up daily, even if it's messy. Study what works. Don't scroll, learn, improve one thing every single video that you create, and stay patient when the results are slow. That's it. This isn't a quick win game. This is a long-term game. Are you kind of like, when you start content creation, think about, are you trying to stay on this game for a decade? Now, for me, I'm literally trying to stay on this game for about a decade and see what happens, because success, it's not going to happen overnight. Okay, so I'm trying to stay on this game about a decade and see what will happen. Okay, but the one thing is, I know for sure is starting was the best decision that I've ever made. And so, if you're watching this right now, this is not thinking about it. Okay, start today, not next week, not next month, but today, right now, at the moment, after you've watched this video. But because that's the only difference between people who make it and people who won't. Okay, that's it. And if you like what we saw today, let me know in the comments. Have you started your content or haven't? Or you haven't? Let me know in the comment section below, and let's grow it together. See you in the next one.